G'day everyone, so we're here on the coast. We've been cooped up in the house for the last week because we've been sick, so I thought I'm going to take Ethan for a day adventure, take him fishing. You know what, I'm just going to use the hand line today and probably just catch some wrasse. Not very nice tasting fish, but you know, if we make some beer battered fish bites on the beach, that'll be really nice. So we're going to give that a go today and see how we go. Old swingaroo. Bit of swell. There we go. There we go, one wrasse. Yeah, I'd catch one. Alright, let's see if I can catch another one. Whoa! Uh-oh. Come on. There we go. That's a small one. I'll throw him back. Oh, there's a nice size one, that one. That's what we wanted. And that there, that's what we were after. Just a good old-fashioned typical wrasse. And we'll make some nice beer battered fish bites out of one of these. Well, I've got 3 of these actually, so yeah, there you go, Ethan. Well, I think that's good. 3 off the bat. Let's cook them up. Good job, Ethan. And I might actually cut up the fish bites just here, and then we're going to go to another location to cook it up. Now, as you can see, I'm using a pretty bad knife. I lost my very good knife while camping on that coastal camp I did with my mate a while back. So I'm back to using the Swiss Army knife. There we go, there's a good bit of meat here. And now that Ethan and I have filleted the fish, we've got the fish fillets ready to go, we're going to walk. Actually, we're going to go to another place, a little hidden campground I know down by the coast, and yeah, we're just going to do a bit of a cook up down there, so this will be good. And there's this cool little kind of a secret camp spot that I found here, or Mickey showed me some time back. Alright, so here we are. This is our little quiet camp spot. I've never camped here actually, but I reckon obviously people have. We've got a little cook up place here, and we're going to make some beer battered fish and chips right here. It's a beautiful spot. To get the fire going, this stuff here, bracken fern, always works a treat. But I might get some spinifex on the beach, dried spinifex, because spinifex has got kind of a resin in it, so it's quite flammable, but we will use this as well. So for ingredients, cooking oil, that's important. We've got plain flour here and a container to mix it up in. We have 1 bottle of homebrew to mix with the flour to make the beer batter, and then a couple of spuds here which I'll cut up into some chips now, and of course a lemon from the backyard. These are going to be our chippies. Alright, next up we're going to make the batter. So basically I'm just pouring flour into a container, the magic ingredient.
Beer.
Homebrew.
What?
We're just going to pour that in there and we're going to mix it all together. Once you've got that sloppy mix, it's all about adding those fish bites. Doesn't look like there's any bits of bone in this, so I'm just going to chuck it in and lather it up like this. Now that we've got our chips and we've got our fish with batter all ready to go, I'm going to get that fire going.
Can I do it or not? Got it.
Alright, next up, we're going to get that oil on there. I've been able to go on some pretty epic expedition type adventures over the years, but truth be told, for a family man, the adventures can slow down as you get older. But that's why these types of micro adventures are vital for me to still get my exploring kicks. No matter if it's of the stripped back, simple type, I think it's important to still make time for a little day adventure here and there. It doesn't always have to be a big expedition planned months in advance. The spontaneous nature of it makes it exciting enough. Deciding that morning to take my boy for a fish and a cook up on the beach was a bit random, and we didn't really have a set plan, but these quick in and out adventures are becoming a bit of a staple in our life. And sure, we could have easily just bought a big pack of fish and chips from the local shop. I've no doubt we'd have gotten a lot more to eat that way. But the joys, excitement, cultivating and passing on of skills make it all worth it. And in the end, you can't get any fresher than straight from the sea, onto the pan and into our bellies. Alright everyone, that's it. We've filled up our bellies on fish and chips. Beautiful fish and chips straight from the ocean, on the fire. It was just really cool cooking it up here. Doing a little bit of a day adventure just because I've been cooped up in the house for a week. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. We might just explore the beach, maybe go for another fish as well. If you did like the video, give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. But otherwise, have a good one. Ethan, did you enjoy it? Awesome.